In this video, I want to show you how to use limit and limit concept and find out if we have limit or limit doesn't exist. For the function ft graphed here, find the following limits or explain why they don't exist. We have part A, B, C, limit of f. For part A, we have limit of ft when t approaches -2. As you see here, when t approaches -2 from the left hand side, ft will approach 0, and when t approaches -2 from the right, ft approaches 0 as well. So from the left hand side and right hand side, both of them will be equal, and both of them will be equal to 0. So the limit is 0. The answer for part A is 0. Although the value of the function at ft is not known. Part B, limit of ft when t approaches -1. So as you see here, when t approaches -1 from the left hand side, ft approaches -1, and when t approaches -1 from the right hand side, ft approaches -1 as well. So from the left hand side and right hand side, they are equal, and they are equal to -1. And for this case, because the dot here is filled, it means that the limit from the left hand side equals to the limit from the right hand side. It will be equal to the limits of the function, and it will be equal to the value of the function at this particular point. Next one, part C, limit of ft when t approaches 0. From the left hand side, when t approaches 0, ft approaches -1, and when t approaches 0 from the right hand side, ft approaches +1. So we have -1 from one side and we have +1 from the right hand side, so they are not equal, so we can say limit doesn't exist. And the value of the function is also 0 here, which we don't care.